ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 513। in tika two vikalpas we saw. See third last line. ननु उपनिषद वाक्यम ब्रह्मात्मैकत्वम साक्षात प्रतिपादय अर्थात कर्मकांड प्रामाण्य विघातकम इति चेत। उपनिषद वाक्य साक्षात is doing प्रतिपादनम of ब्रह्मात्मैक्य and अर्थापत्ति 13 नंबर टिप्पणी जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन नकार is missing. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति ही. Anything extra you remove. ब्रह्मत्वे something is given. ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्वानुपपत्ति ही. मिला आपको 13 नंबर टिप्पणी. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्वानुपपत्ति ही इति अर्थापत्या. नाउ यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन टेल मी व्हाट इज अर्थापत्ति. नाउ जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति. इफ जीव इज कर्ता ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति. व्हाट इज उपपादक.
ब्रह्मत्व.
See there, how do we say? पीनत्वेन रात्रि भोजनम विना विषे. रात्रि भोजनम विना पीनत्व अनुपपत्ति. Right? So here you have to put, instead of peenatva it is brahmatva, because ratri bhojanam vina peenatva anupapannam. Right? Peenatva is pratyaksham. Ratri bhojana you are doing kalpanam. He must be eating at night because he is fat. Fatness I can see. So here जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति it is given. कर्तृत्वेन you have to put. In other words, how you will have to say? जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन, which is प्रत्यक्ष. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन ब्रह्मत्व अनुपपत्ति is given. So अब्रह्मत्व उपपत्ति. There how it will happen? पीनत्वस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वेन रात्रि भोजन कल्पनम. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन अब्रह्मत्व कल्पनम. जीवस्य कर्तृत्वेन अब्रह्मत्व कल्पनम. This is अर्थापत्ति. Means if Jiva is Karta, then he cannot be Brahma. And therefore, if you say Brahmatma Ekatvam is Sakshat Pratipadana, then Jivasya Kartritvam will be Vighatam. The other way he has taken Arthat Karma Kanda Pramanya Vighatakam. If Jiva is Brahma, then he cannot be Karta. But the fact is, Jiva is Karta. If Jiva is Karta, then he cannot be Brahma. Right? Therefore, actually it is not Vighataka of Karma Kanda. It is Vighataka of Jnana Kanda. Right? But here he is taking Arthapatti in this way, that if Jiva is Brahma, if you take Brahmatma Ekatva as Sakshat, then Karma Kanda will not work. Karma Kanda Pramanya Vigatakam iti chet tatra tad apramanyam anutpatti lakshanam viparyasa lakshanam va. Viparyas means Bhranti. Brahmajanakatvam is given. Tad apramanyam anutpatti lakshanam viparyasa lakshanam va. So anutpatti means prama will not be there. Neither there is prama or there is Bhranti. Iti vikalpya adyam anudya dushayati. Anudya. What is the dhatu here? Vad dhatu. Vad dhatu. Vaktayam vachi. Then how vad becomes u, vakar becomes ukara, samprasara. What is the sutra for samprasaranam? What are the dhatus for vachiswapi yajadinam? This is the sutra. Vachiswapi yajadinam. So, vach dhatu, swap dhatu. And yajadi dhatus, in that there is a vartika.
यजदेव पूजा संगति करणदानेषु.
No. Vachiswapi yajadinam kiti samprasaranam. In that, if you see, यजिर्वपि वहिश्चैव वसिर्वे व्ये इत्यपि पे वदी आयतिश्चेति यजाद्याः स्युरिमे नव. 9 dhatus are there which are included in yajadi. Yajirvapir, so in that all these dhatus are given. Vad hai, dhatu is not. No, anudya. Anudya, what is the dhatu? Vad dhatu. So vachi will not work. You need vad. So vachiswapi yajadinam, that yajadinam has 9 dhatus. In them, one is vad. Anudya dushayati. विदित न च इति इन भाष्य न च कर्मकांड वाक्यानां स्वार्थे प्रमा न उत्पद्यते. कर्मकांड वाक्य सिद्धांत इज सेइंग कर्मकांड वाक्य विल प्रोड्यूस प्रमा. विदित पद तदर्थ संगतेर वाक्यार्थ न्याय विदस तदर्थे प्रमोत्पत्ति दर्शनादित्यर्थः. विदित पद तद अर्थ संगते है वाक्यार्थ न्याय विदः. वाक्य विल प्रोड्यूस प्रमा. For whom, if that person is vakyartha nyaya vidaha, he is the knower of vakyartha nyaya vid means vakyartha bodha prakriya abhignya. How the vakyartha will take place, that jnanam, the one who has, for that person karma kanda vakya will produce prama. When he knows the pada, he has pada jnanam. Vidita pada tad artha and sangati, all this is known. Sangati means sambandha. Pada padartha jnanam and sambandha jnanam. When that much is there, then vakyartha will take place. Pramodpatti darshana. So therefore prama na utpadyate iti na. असाधारणे चेत टीका स्वार्थे प्रमाम उत्पादयत अपि वाक्यम मानांतर विरोधाद प्रमाणम इति आशंका है. Let's say वाक्य produces prama, स्वार्थे प्रमाम उत्पादयदपि, but मानांतर विरोध is there, so then that वाक्य will become a pramanam. Like agnishitāha, agnishitāha, वाक्य will produce prama, but मानांतर विरोध is there, प्रत्यक्ष विरोध. असाधारणे चेत स्वार्थे प्रमाम उत्पादयति वाक्यम कुतो अन्येन विरोधः स्यात्. असाधारणे चेत स्वार्थे प्रमाम उत्पादयति. If it is asadharana karana, that asadharana karana, if it produces prama in its vishaya, swarthe means swasya arthe, then there is no virodha possible. Why? Because in that vishaya, that pramanam is the only pramanam. There is no possibility of manantar virodha. स्वार्थे प्रमाम उत्पादयति वाक्यम कुतो अन्येन विरोधः स्यात्. How there can be virodha? Siddhanta is saying. See that टीका line is beautiful. Swagochara shuratvat pramananam ityartha. How are the pramanas? They are swagochara shura. Swagochara shura means swavishaye shuraha. In its vishaya, they are the only ones. Swavishaya bodhana samarthatvat. So swagochara shuratvat pramananam ityartha. For example, where chakshurindriya works, and if it proves something, shravanendriya, rasanendriya, they will not be able to either establish it or refute it. Correct? Because that pramana is shura in its vishaya. Swagochara shuratvat. Vimatam, Purvapaksha says, okay, I will do anumanam. You are not listening to what I want to say. Vimatam, karma kanda vakyam. You see, if you listen, see the anumanam, you think Siddhanta is doing this anumanam. Vimatam karma kanda vakyam na prama utpadakam pramana apahrita vishayatvat anushnagni vakyavat iti shankate. विमतम कर्मकांड वाक्यम न प्रमोत्पादकम. What is vimatam?
Akshay.
No, what is vimatam?
He doesn't agree.
Huh?
Purvapakshi doesn't agree with this.
Siddhanta Vakya.
Vimatam means karmakanda vakyam. Vimatam karmakanda vakyam. So vimatam here is karmakanda. Why? Because in karmakanda vakya there is viruddha mata. What is Purvapakshi mata and what is Siddhanta mata? Who is saying na prama utpadakam? Purvapakshi saying karmakanda vakya is not prama utpadakam. Siddhanti is going to say, no, karma kanda vakyam is prama utpadakam. That is what Siddhanti is saying, swagochara shuratvat pramanana. When it comes to swarga, yagena swargam bhavayet. Which other pramana is going to tell this? No other pramana. Which other pramana is going to contradict this? Because no other pramana has swarga as its vishaya. They don't have that as vishaya only. So swagochara shuratvat pramananam. Similarly, when we say you are Brahma, Upanishad said, who is going to say no, I am not Brahma? Which other pramana is going to refute? No other pramana can refute it. Why? Swagochara shuratvat pramananam. Each pramana is shura in its vishaya. Is this clear? This much. So that means Siddhanti is actually trying to tell Purvapakshi, as much as you, this we have seen this before, as much as your karma kanda is pramanam, you are Brahma is also pramanam. Or as much as Chakshurindriya says this is Pitam, this is pramanam, I am Brahma is also pramanam. There is no second thought. The person who has this much sattvic buddhi and can grasp is almost done. And if Viparita Bhavana keeps coming, means lot of Pratibandha is there, then it will be difficult. But if Pratibandha is very less, so it is done. Okay, now here, what is Sadhya? Is this how you say Sadhya? हाँ, प्रमा अनुत्पादकत्वम और प्रमोत्पादकत्वा भाव. Abhav you have to, nakar is there, so somewhere you have to put that. Prama anutpadakatvam, or so those who cannot understand this little difficult, then they say Prama utpadakatva bhava. This is sadhya. What is the vyapti? In one part, what is the parimana of kala? This question was asked. What is the parimana of kala? So the Vidyarthi said, Dina, Paksha, Masa, Varsha. Maharaj said, you are studying Purana or Tarka? In Purana, you give this answer. Tarka, when it comes, what is the parimanam for kala? Parama mahatva, parama dirghatva. This is how you have to give answer. Some other answer you give. What is the vyapti? Pramana apahrita विषयत्वम. Your turn is gone. Somebody else. Online. Tell me Vyapti.
यत्र यत्र प्रमाण अपहृत विषयत्वं तत्र तत्र प्रमोद प्रमोद प्रमा अनुत्पादकम्
Anutpadakatvam.
अनुत्पादकत्वम्.
Yatra yatra prama. What is the meaning of pramana apahrita vishayatvam? Pramana apahrita vishayatvam. See 10 number tippani. Upanishad pramanena apahrito bhedatmako vishayo yasya. Tat Tatvat is given, so you have to read. Upanishad pramanena apahrito bhedatmako vishayo yasya. Tat Upanishad pramana upahrita vishayatvat. Tatvat is given. Tatvat. So Upanishad pramana, what it does? Bhedatmaka vishaya, it takes away. Apaharana, it is doing. And therefore, what is he trying to say in this Vyapti? When Upanishad Praman takes away Bhedatmaka Jnanam, then Bheda Prama Utpatti will not happen. And Karma Kanda Vakya requires Bheda Prama because Kriya, Karaka, Phala all are bhinna. I am different, Yaga is different, Swarga is different, etc. So, Yatra yatra Pramana Apahrita Vishayatvam Tatra Tatra Prama Anutpadakatvam. So Prama will not come because Pramana is taking away something which is going to help me in that other Prama. Drishtanta is Anushnagni Vakyavat. If somebody says Agni Anushnaha, Agni is not Ushna. Agni is not Ushna, this Vakya. Now in this Vakya, Pramana Apahrita Vishayatvam and na prama utpadakatvam. Which pramana has apahrita vishayatvam? Pramanena apahrita vishayatvam. Which pramana? Pratyaksha pramana will take away the Agni Ushnatva Buddhi, Agni Anushnatva Buddhi. Pratyaksha pramana will say Agni is Ushna. So it has taken away Anushnatva Buddhi. Whenever I have touched one knee, let's say I have not studied Tarka and I touch one knee, Daha will happen. Yes. So Pramanena, Pratyaksha Pramana has taken away Agni Anushnatva Buddhi because it is Ushna, this Prama has taken place. Now if somebody says Agni Ranushna, nothing will happen. That Vakya is na Prama Utpadakam. In this way you should understand. So Purva Pakshi is saying, your Upanishad Vakya has taken away Bhedan. Now Karma Kanda Vakya will not produce Prama. How will I do anything? Iti Shankate. Brahmaikatve nirvishayatvat pramana utpadyata eva. If Brahma Ekatva has taken place, now there is no Vishaya for Karma Kanda Vakya to produce Prama. Nirvishayatva will be what? Karma Kandam. What is the meaning of Vishaya there? Adhikari. No Adhikari is there now. Good. So Pramana Utpadyate eva iti chet. Tika Pratyaksha Virodhat Anumanam Anavakasham iti Pariharati. Siddhanti is saying now Pratyaksha Virodhat Anumanam Anavakasham. What does this mean? Siddhanti is saying, what Siddhanti is saying? बाद हेतुवादा बाद प्रत्यक्ष praman is going to do badha of anumanam. Which anumanam is getting badita? This karma purva pakshi's anumanam, vimatam karma kanda vakya. How it is getting badita by pratyaksha? See bhashya. Na pratyakshatvat pramayaha. If pratyaksha prama is pratyaksha to me, when I hear karma kanda vakya, how do you say through anumanam that karma kanda will not produce prama? How darsha purna masabhyam swarga kamo yajeta brahmano na hantavyaha. All these vakyas, they are producing prama. Iti evam adi vakyabhyaha pratyaksha prama jayamana sa naiva bhavishyati yadi upanishado brahmaikatvam bodhayishyanti iti anumanam nacha anumanam pratyaksha virodhe pramanyam labhate. This whole thing you should read in one. So all these vakyas, by that pratyaksha prama utpatti takes place. Pratyaksha prama jayamana sa naiva bhavishyati yadi. See, that prama would not happen if upanishadaha brahmaikatvam bodhayishyanti. If Upanishad teaches Brahmatma Ekatva, then this prama would not happen. This is your Anumana. But this Anumanam has Pratyaksha Virodha. Nacha Anumanam Pratyaksha Virodhe Pramanyam Labhate. Pratyaksha Virodhe Anumanam Pramanyam na Labhate. When there is Pratyaksha Virodha, you go on doing Anumanam. That somebody who studied Nyaya for a lot of time, let's say 12 years, and he said there are 2 mangoes and I will prove that there are 3 through Tarka. Or Pratyaksha shows 2 only. You go on proving there are 3. Virodha is there. So the opponent says, okay, there are 3 mangoes then, according to you. So I will eat 2. You eat the 3rd one. Tasmat asadeva etad giyate pramaiva notpadyata iti. Tasmat asadeva etad giyate. Giyate, what is the dhatu? Dai shabde. So this your vakya is asad only. That pramanaiva utpadyate. This is not true. In this we can have a Purvapaksha. The one who has understood I am Brahma, for that person, Karma Kanda Vakya will produce Prama or not. Person who has understood I am Brahma and everything is Brahma. Veda Buddhi is gone. Veda Bhedav Sapadigalitau Punya Pape Vishirne Maya Mohav. All of that is gone. Then when he hears Karma Kanda Vakya or any Laukika Vakya, then what will happen? So then that Prama will not take place because he knows this is Prabala Pramana, that is Nirbala Pramana, it is Badhita. So, Upanishad, for the same Adhikari, if he already has understood Brahmatmaikatva Jnanam, for that person, Karma Kanda may not produce Prama. But Karma Kanda will produce Prama for Ajnani, and its Adhikari is Ajnani only. If Ajnani has become Jnani, then Adhikari will not be there. This we will have to accept. In Vyavahara. But it is, so it will not be called Pramada. So it will not be considered Prama because Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Everything is Brahma only. Then only he is Jnani. By itself, it has. Actually, what happens when Upanishad Jnanam takes place, then all Pratyakshadi Pramana, all the way up to Purva Mimamsa, everything is Badhita. That's what we read, that shloka. In Chatusutri, at the end of the fourth sutra, Tattu Samanvayat, there is a shloka by Sundar Pandya. Bhashyakara has quoted in his Bhashya. Atmanishchayat. Until Atmanishchay takes place, they have Pramanyam. Otherwise, they will lose that Pramanyam. Panchikaranam also has quoted. Bhashyakar has quoted this, therefore all other acharyas will quote. There is a different question. If you don't do, it is not a problem as long as you have the jnanam. If you want to do, you can do. Itasya karmakandasya na apramanyam iti vadan dvitiyam pratihah. Itasya, for this reason also, karmakandasya na apramanyam. Karmakanda is pramanam iti vadan dvitiyam pratyah apicha यथा प्राप्तस्यैव अविद्या प्रत्युपस्थापितस्य क्रियाकारक फलस्य आश्रयणेन इष्टानिष्ट प्राप्ति परिहार उपाय सामान्ये प्रवृत्तस्य तद विशेषम अजानतस् तद आचक्षाणा श्रुतिः क्रियाकारक फल भेदस्य लोक प्रसिद्धस्य सत्यताम असत्यताम वा न आचष्टे न च वारयति. Apicha, and also yatha praptasyaiva avidya pratyupastapitasya. Yatha prapta, whatever is happening in the life presented by avidya. Avidya pratyupastapitasya kriyakaraka phalasya ashrayanena. So let's say it is very hot suddenly. When it is hot, then I have to do, it is anishta for me. Anishta parihara I have to do. So then I have to see some karaka, some kriya, I will get phala. So kriya karaka phala is there. By that, what is done? Anishta parihara. You see that ishta anishta prapti parihara, this phrase we have seen before. In Upodghata Bhashya, you see these phrases are there. First, page number 2-3 of Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. Ishta prapti, anishta parihara. How it is given? Ishta, anishta, prapti, parihara. These upayas will be there.
5, Swamiji, page number.
Page number 5. It is there. Multiple times it came. And then ishta prapti also. If something is there, ishta for me, I will attain it. So, ishta, anishta, prapti, parihara, upaya, samanye, pravrittasya, purushasya. Pumsaha. Pumsaha, what is the pratyaya? Dumsun. Dumsun pratyaya. We saw this, we discussed in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta class once. Pravrittasya tad vishesham ajanatas tada chakshana shrutihi Shruti's Visheshana is Achakshana. Achakshana Shrutihi. For whom Ajanatah. See, Tad Vishesham Ajanatah. In those who are studying other texts also, they will remember. Ishta Prapti Anishta Parihara. This is who will be pravritta in this? Ajnani. In Nashkarma Siddhi, in the beginning, this is given. Ishta Prapti Anishta Parihara means this is for Ajnani only. In the 8th shloka or so you will say. And that person will go after Kriya Karaka Phalam. Somebody who has understood, I am Parama Ishta Brahma, and that Brahma cannot have any Anishta. So there is no other Ishta Prapti, and there is no possibility of Anishta whose Parihara I have to do. Parama Ishta is me only. That he is understood. I am Brahma. Any other Ishta, Anishta, Prapti, Parihara is for Ahankara. That I am not. This is what he understood when he heard Yushmad Asmat Pratyaya Gocharayor Vishay Vishaynos Tamah Prakashavat Viruddha Svabhavayor Itaretar Bhavanupapattau Siddhayam Tad Dharmanam Api Sutaram Itaretar Bhavanupapatti. This is what he understood there. So he said, this is adhyasa. See? So, tad achakshana shrutihi. That shruti for this person. Taksha means Vaktayam vachi dhatu means the shruti who is describing. For this person who wants to remove anishta, who wants to get ishta, kriya karaka phala bhedasya loka prasiddhasya. Now, Kriya Karaka Phala Bheda is Loka Prasiddha. Of this, Satyatam Asatyatam va na achaste na cha varayati. How many things are said in this? Satyatam Asatyatam va na achaste na cha varayati. 4 things. See, Shruti doesn't say this Kriya Karaka Phala is Satya. Means Swarga is Satya, Yaga is Satya, your Karma Phala is Satya. Shruti is not saying that. So, Satyatam na achaste. Asatyatam va na achaste. Shruti is also not saying, Karma Kanda Shruti, that this is Asat. It's mithya. That Shruti is not saying that. Shruti is only saying, Yaga will give you Swarga. Neither it is establishing Satyatva, nor it is removing Asatyatva. Okay? Nacha Varayati. Neither it says it is not Satya. It's not saying it is mithya. But it is also not saying it is not Satya. Or asatyatam va varayati. It is not saying it is not asatya. Understood? 4 options. Means Shruti is not dealing with satyatva, asatyatva, nirnaya or its refutation. Shruti is only saying if you do this, you will get this. If you have this desire, this is how you can fulfill it. So this Karmakanda Pramana is not Satyatva, Asatyatva, Pratipadaka. Upanishad Pramana says all this is Mithya. Ye iha naneva pashyati, by doing ninda or neha nanasti kinchana, etc. This Shruti here means Achakshana Shruti is कर्मकांड पूर्व मीमांसा। टीका यथा प्राप्तस्य इति अस्यैव व्याख्यानम अविद्या प्रत्युपस्थापितस्य इति। यथा प्राप्तम इज कॉल्ड अविद्या प्रत्युपस्थापिता। इति साध्य साधन संबंध बोधकस्य कर्मकांडस्य। व्हाट इज कर्मकांड? साध्य साधन संबंध बोधक, दिस इज कर्मकांड। न विपर्यासो मिथ्यार्थत्वे अपि, even though the अर्थ is मिथ्या, there is no विपर्यास। why? तस्य अर्थ क्रियाकारित्व सामर्थ्य, that is not removed। तस्य अर्थ क्रियाकारित्व सामर्थ्य अनपहारात् प्रामाण्य उपपत्तेः इति। is this clear? कर्मकांडस्य प्रामाण्यम उपपत्ति, तस्मात् अर्थक्रिया कारित्व सामर्थ्यात्, it has the ability to give those things। like in swapna, I am very hungry। स्वप्न पदार्थ, स्वप्न भोजन has the ability to remove hunger। Nobody is saying whether the hunger is satya or mithya, whether this bhojana is satya or mithya. In that, there is no discussion। So, mithya hunger can be removed by mithya bhojana, annam। In the same way, mithya karta, ahankara, as mithya kamana, will be fulfilled by mithya swargadi। बस। इष्टानिष्ट फल प्राप्ति परिहार उपाय विधि परत्वात्। कर्मकांड इज इष्टानिष्ट फल प्राप्ति परिहार उपाय विधि परक। दिस इज ऑल इट हैज एज इट्स सब्जेक्ट मैटर। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।